Hello and hi to my YouTube channel Aptitude Math Learner with a new interesting question. And the question today we are having that is, if A can finish a piece of work by working alone in 6 days and B while working alone can finish the same job in 12 days. If both of them work together, then in how many days the work will be finished? So here we have to find out the work complete in how many days if both of them works together. So here one thing which you have to understand that is, so let's suppose this is M. So this is for man, that is inversely proportional to T. So what does this mean? For understanding such type of question, you have to understand this. So this is the man. So we have taken man, that is inversely proportional to time. So what does this says? This says that the time allowed and the men engaged for a project are inversely proportional to each other. And what does that mean? It means that if more the number of men involved, then the lesser will be the time required to finish a job. I hope till here you have completely understood the method. So here in the question it says that if A can finish a piece of works alone in 6 days. So here we take the work of A. Let's suppose, so this is the work of A. A is the man. So here we have taken as M as man, and this can finish a job in how many days? In 6 days. And this is why we have wrote that A and time, that is inversely proportional. Man and time are the inversely proportional. And for B, and B can finish that job in how many days? In 12 days. So here it says the same thing. So the efficiency or the strength of E is greater. So that's why E takes less time. And same as it is here, if more men, more efficiency is there, then lesser will be the time. And if less men, then vice versa. So in how many days both can complete the job? So for this we take that A, so this is A plus B. I hope till here you have completely understood. So A can finish the job in how many days? In 1/6 days, or easily you can say in 6 days, and B, that is in 12 days. I hope till here you have completely understood. And now for this you take that is LCM. So what will be the LCM? The LCM will be that is 12. So this becomes that is 2 plus, and 12 cancel out with each other, and this becomes that is 1. So this is 3 divided by 12. So 3 ones are and 3 fours are, that is 12. So this becomes A and B working together. They will complete the job, that is in how many days? In how much time? In 4 days. So this is days. So A and B can complete the job in 4 days, and that is why this is inversely proportional. So from this method we have just taken. So here the answer is 4 days. I hope you have completely understood this method. So thank you very much.